Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today I'm going to give you 8 of my top DIYs that make fantastic gifts. These gifts can be used for a myriad of different things, so if you want to see what they are, let's have some fun. Let's talk about the top 8 DIY gifts on a budget. Number 1, you're gonna want to get tumbling blocks from the Dollar Tree. Every time they have them, they don't always have them and they get sold out pretty quickly. So if you see them, grab them because they're definitely worth it. There's so many things you can do with them. The other item I highly recommend you pick up if you see them in stock, that is the acrylic gems, also from the Dollar Tree. There are a lot of things you can do with them. With those little blocks, I like to use them. You just put them almost like you're playing with Lincoln logs. Build some different formations, different styles, glue them together, spray paint them. The full extended tutorial is in a link below. This video is just showing you my top 8 favorite tutorials that can be turned into gifts. Okay, number 2. I'm showing you these in no particular order. If I was going to say which one was my favorite, this would definitely be it because I absolutely love solar lights. I think they make such a perfect gift. Who doesn't want to have a fun solar light? Even if you don't have a yard, you can put them on a porch. You can actually even have them inside if you wanted to use them for something in your house. You do have to set them outside to get some sun. And then you can bring them in like this into your house. And of all the lights, I would have to say this is my favorite solar light of all time. Okay, let's talk about number 3. Making DIY jewelry is an easy, fun thing to do. And I absolutely love these jewelry holders that are made. Literally, it costs pennies. Awesome. Okay, number 4. I love a little pearl wrap or bling. So much fun. And with these, I cannot believe that you can make sconces. This is made with a napkin holder and a mirror from the Dollar Tree. A little bit of bling. I've done a lot of different ones, and I've got a full tutorial. They can be made with gems, pearls, or anything in between. They're made with little tiny jars. Right from Crafter's Square in the Dollar Tree. Number 5. This tutorial came about because I needed a makeup station, and I preferred a magnetic makeup station. So I grabbed a few things from the Dollar Tree, decided it needed a little more glam, added some glue, added some glitter, and some magnets. Then glued them to a cookie sheet that I spray painted black, and voila, makeup station. Fantastic. Okay, number 6. Remember those blocks I told you about? There's a lot of different things that you can do with those. Add some liquid nails, and you can create a fancy mirror. I spray painted the entire thing to look similar to one that I found online for over $500. And I was able to make mine for a lot less. Number 7 is a fun, budget-friendly way to make a bird feeder. And it makes perfect gifts for all your friends and family. Finally, last but not least, number 8. This has to be my favorite one of all. I got some pillowcases from the Dollar Tree, as well as a lighter and some pearls. And it's not as hard as you might think to make fabric flowers. I know it sounds crazy, but it's not dangerous. Well, it's not as dangerous as you might think. And the final product is fantastic. You can even put them on pillows. There we go. That's our top 8. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And the links for all 8 tutorials will be in the description below. So go ahead and check them out. And I will see you again soon. See ya!